There you go. And there you go. That's my girl. Scoot that knee up.
There you go, baby. Oh.
Take a break. It's okay. It's hard work to crawl, huh? Yay, Ellie! Are you trying to clap? Come on, Sweet Pea. You want this Easter egg? Come get the Easter egg. Oh, and we scoot. When we're in a hurry, we scoot, huh?